Hello guys, my name is Jingu Kang. I'm a postdoc researcher at the University of Eastern Finland, and I'm your teacher for the basic quantitative research method in this coursework. Briefly, I am studying about science education, especially the teaching approaches and its effect on student achievement, interest, and self-efficacy or career aspirations in future. And I am using usually the large scale data set such as PISA or TIMSS. You may hear about the PISA, which is a program for the international student assessment, and usually they publish the result every 3 years. And mainly the people are interested in which country got the best result in science, mathematics, and readings. But there are lots of other information in the PISA data set, like what kind of teaching approaches that their teacher used and what kind of interest they have and how about their well-being in their life at school. So there can be lots of possibility to do research and see the relationship between, for instance, their bullying experiences and their parental education or studying hours and the interest, achievement, and so on. So if you are interested in using those kind of secondary data set, you're welcome to collaborate with me. This course is for the, let's say, the preparation course for the next level quantitative research method 2 for the master degree student. So in this course, you're gonna learn quite basic concept of the quantitative research, and that may be, I think, the repeated in the next course. But I want to support you to gain more knowledge and familiar with this kind of topics, because usually it's a bit hard and complicated, and also not many students have experience in this field and using this kind of quantitative research method. But in my previous previous experiences supervising the master degree students, first when they came, they thought to use a more qualitative research method like an interview or observation. But after completing this kind of quantitative research method coursework, more than half of the students try to use the quant or the mixed methodologies. So in the end, I see that at least my students use more quantitative research method than the qualitative ones. So hope this course may encourage you to use this method for your master degree research, and also hope you feel more easy after completing this coursework. Here is the learning outcomes of this basic quantitative course. First, students are able to describe the different types of research questions in the qualitative research. And second, they also can categorize statistical analysis between, for instance, descriptive and inferential statistics. And the third one is student can describe basic terms in quantitative research, such as scales, variables, and different kind of central tendencies like means. And these also will be repeated in the next coursework in quantitative research method 2 for the master student. So it's really important to capture the ideas of these kind of basic terms of the statistics. And the fourth one is student can select a quantitative study designs for their own research. And it'll be really interesting to know about what kind of design you can select. Lastly, student can develop or design their survey for their research, and also select the sampling method that they're going to use. Usually the quantitative research method is used to generalize the result. So it asks quite much samples than the qualitative research. And in kind of the international studies, they used to collect the data more than 5,000 students of one age group, like a 15 years old student, for instance, for the PISA study. which represent the population of the target group. So for the sampling and to conduct the quantitative research, you might need maybe 200, 300 participants for collecting your data set. So you're gonna learn about what kind of sampling method that you can use for your research. In general, there will be two lessons. And for the first lessons, you're gonna learn about types of research questions, skills and central tendencies, and the sampling method. And for the second lessons, you will learn about the research design and how to design the questionnaire. And you probably will be asked to design your own questionnaire for the use of the quantitative research. So again, welcome to this coursework. And as I said, hope you enjoy this lesson and hope you also be encouraged to use this quantitative research method for your research. Thank you very much.